Welcome back to my channel, guys. In today's video I'm going to show you guys this look right here. Super pretty. It reminds me of St. Patrick's Day, but I really wanted to show you guys these products by Covergirl. It's their full spectrum line. They came out with foundations, highlighters, concealers, eye pencils. They came out with some beautiful eyeshadow. I'm going to talk about a few products that I use in this video that I've been obsessed with. As you can see, it looks beautiful. I'm so happy with the results. So if you guys want to see how I got this look and want to know more about the products, just keep on watching. I did moisturize my face. It's super drenched. I actually use this Pixi Rose Cermaide cream. It's been my obsession lately. It really gets into the skin. It protects the skin barrier. Primer, I actually did try this out already and it's very matte. I feel like it's a really good matte primer from the drugstore. It does have like a creamy texture, but once it dries down to a very matte finish. So I'm just applying it on my nose, cheeks, and forehead. I have dry to very dry skin, but I wanted to show you guys how this looks. It doesn't look too drying on my face. I like how it goes on very smooth, but it does dry down to a very matte, no shine finish, which is great for those of you who have oily skin, or if you have combo skin, you get like oily on the forehead and your nose. This works. I like this one by Covergirl as well. It's the pore minimizing one. It's the purple one, and it also has like that cream finish. And I'm just going to apply this all over my cheeks and chin. I love the packaging of these foundations. I love how they're just so simple and sleek, and I like how it's glass and it has a pump. It's just very simple, cute, and I love the pump. I love foundations that have pumps. So I'm just going to give it a nice shake and pump it onto my hand. I do have some redness like right here on my cheeks. And I'm just going to dot it all over again. This foundation also has a scent to it, so just keep that in mind. I did wear it and I do like how it looks. At first it was a little bit tricky to blend because my skin was really dry when I first tried it, and I feel like it dried pretty quick. I'm just going in with another layer because I feel like one layer doesn't do it for me. I need at least 2 layers of foundation. So this foundation retails for $8.99 at Target and $11.99 at Ulta. So on the website it says that it's designed to bring out your truest tones. Matte Ambition All Day Foundation is transfer resistant, provides all day comfort with oil absorbing powders for a natural matte foundation finish. And I did wear this foundation already. I did find that it is long wearing and that it is transfer resistant. I like how it's very lightweight on the skin. It does not feel like I'm wearing foundation. I do need to apply about 2.5 layers because I feel like the redness still kind of peeks through in some areas on the face. And I feel like this foundation does oxidize a tiny bit. So at first I use the light neutral shade. This is light neutral 2, and it does look a little bit more golden than light golden. So if you see that, this one actually came off a little bit too yellow for my skin tone. And I did try this one out first because I do have very yellow undertones, but it was a little bit more like yellow orange on me. So light golden works so much better. This is 110 and this is 120. But it looks like this one would be my shade, but light neutral is, but light golden is definitely more of my shade because I feel like it oxidizes a little bit. I feel like there's foundations that you can just quickly blend and it just looks flawless. This one has a very nice finish, but you do need to work with it a little bit more. And I feel like I do need to work with it a little bit more because it is on the thicker side, but it is very, very lightweight. It doesn't feel like I have foundation on. Covergirl also came out with their full spectrum concealer. Unfortunately, none of these concealers are light enough for my skin tone. Very bright highlighted under eye area, and they're just a little bit too on the warmer, deeper side for me, but the shades are amazing. They do have, I'm not sure how many concealers, I think there's 6 concealers, but I feel like the concealers are good. I actually tried out one of the concealers as like a bronzer in one of my last videos. So I'm just gonna go on and apply my Tarte Shape Tape. Boom. Look at that. I look like a naked mole rat. So as you can see, my eyes look like super little because once I apply like my concealer and I apply concealer to my lids, it just like shrinks everything in, but it really defines your under eye and your cheekbones, and I really like that. So I'm gonna take this Matte Ambition Full Coverage All Day Powder Foundation. Actually, I don't even know if this is full coverage, but I've been really liking this. If you guys are a fan of powder foundation, you guys are gonna love this. This is the lighter shade. I believe it's light neutral, and I've been so obsessed with it. I cannot believe I'm obsessed with a powder foundation. Apply this over my foundation, and it just does something magical. It makes everything look so smooth. It does say on the bag, buildable matte to full coverage foundation, so it is a full coverage powder foundation. If you guys love powder foundation, you guys are gonna love these guys. Super cute. So I'm actually gonna be taking another powder foundation. This is in the shade Deep Neutral, and it is more of a tan shade, but I'm gonna kind of bronze with it a little bit. Take the angled side of my Kat Von D brush, and I'm only applying a little bit really close to like my cheeks, not really contouring, but like bronzing up a little bit. It does have more of an orange tint, but I do apply a little bit onto my face. Another thing that I am obsessed with as well is their eyeshadow palettes. Let's just take a minute and admire their eyeshadow palettes. Super pigmented drugstore eyeshadow palettes, and all the shades are gorgeous. This has been my go-to palette. This one is called Reverence. Of course, warm tones and golds, browns, my favorite. And I've also been obsessed with this guy. I think I'm gonna do a look with a color today. Okay, let's do it. Look how pretty these colors are. Super pigmented. I tried this one for a Valentine's Day look. I've tried this light champagne color as well, and I've also tried like this kind of orange shade. I'm very tempted to do something with this green or this purple. So I think I'm gonna do a green, guys. Let's just do it. I'm gonna use this palette. I'm gonna use the green from this palette, and I'm gonna use the matte shades because this one doesn't have any matte shades. It's just straight up shimmer matte brown color, so I can use as my transition shades. So I'm just gonna pick up this lighter brown right here, and I'm taking my Sigma E40 blending brush, and I'm going to apply this onto my crease and build it up, darken up the outer corners a little bit, and then pop on that green. Okay guys, I'm back with eyebrows and the green shadow. I didn't even film the part where I applied my green shadow, which was the best part, and when I applied my eyebrows. So this is the green shadow right here. I applied it with my Mikasa Beauty E230 eyeshadow brush, which is a great brush. It's very small and flat for eyeshadow on the lid. It just deposits a lot of pigment. I did spray my brush a little bit. Up on some lashes, and I am using my Celine lashes in the style Violet. If you have not checked out my lash line, I'm gonna link it down below for you guys. Amazing lashes, very comfortable and lightweight and just very pretty and fluffy. I normally don't apply lashes with my fingers, but I did. I do want to apply some green to the lower lashes, so I'm going to take that same brush, and it's very thin. So I applied the green, and honestly you guys, I feel like I need like black liner on my waterline. Who am I? And it's by Urban Decay. It's the 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Black Market. Perfect. I'm gonna go in and finish my face, but I do want to finish my lips. I'm gonna just go in with my sponge that has foundation on it. I just want to like mute them out a little bit and then apply the Fenty Beauty Fussy lip gloss. Fenty Beauty has hands down one of the best lip glosses ever. Like the formula is gorgeous, it's so glossy, the packaging is cute, it smells good, the price is perfect. I'm a huge fan of Fenty's lip glosses. If you guys have not tried any of the lip glosses, you guys need to pick them up. So I'm just gonna take some of MAC Give Me Sun and I'm gonna use it kind of like a blush. Cute, very minimal. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more. Alright guys, this is where it's at with these highlighters. The Full Spectrum CoverGirl highlighter line is on point, okay? These two shades, like this middle shade and then this last like champagne shade in this palette, this one is the Rose Rush and this one is the Blush Touch. I've been using this one lately. Let me just show you guys how it looks. And of course I'm taking my favorite highlighting brush, which is by Real Techniques. So I'm just gonna grab some. It's very pigmented and it's very like smooth. It makes your face look so flawless. Look at that highlight, you guys. I like to go in with my beauty blender to diffuse the edges and then go back in with another layer and it just looks so gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my god. I'm not kidding when I tell you guys that these highlighters are no joke. I just really like how they don't look chalky or dry. I cannot stand those highlights that just look very chalky and dry on the skin instead of giving you like that beautiful glow. I think this is like the highlight of the year. The formula is, I just can't explain it to you guys how amazing it is. But I love the foundation. I'm so obsessed with it. I love the packaging. I feel like it's very nice, affordable, all day breathable, shine free foundation. So impressed with the shadow pigmentation and I'm very impressed with the powder foundation that they have. This guy right here, I think the formula is amazing. I'm not sure how much it costs. I'll put it here somewhere, but if you are into powder foundations, you guys are going to love this one. If you're more into like the full coverage face without looking super cakey, applying this over the foundation is such a good combo. I don't know what this does, you know, these two paired together. It does something pretty to the skin. It just makes it look so flawless. In person, I'm looking at myself in the mirror and everything just looks nice. I even use this foundation to set underneath my eyes and it's still set. I don't see any fine lines. It just looks really, really pretty. So I'm very happy and impressed with this collection. The only thing I wasn't a huge fan of was their pencils that they came out with. I don't feel like they're pigmented enough. I did try the black one and I liked it. I just feel like they're a little bit on the drier side. But if you don't mind like a little bit of a dry pencil, that's on you. But I like creamy liners, so I wasn't a huge fan of their pencils. But I do love the foundation. I love the foundation powder, the highlights, the shadows. Very good quality drugstore items that you guys could pick up. That is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick review slash demo. I'm so happy with the look. I'm not even going anywhere, but it looks beautiful, so I'm going to take some pictures. If you're not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.